everyone! Do you know that you and I can actually dress for impact? Yes, you heard me, because there is power in what we call visual branding. So for today, allow me to share some 3 actionable and practical tips with us. Number 1, align with our message. We can choose outfits that reflect not just the message but also our personality. What is it that we want to convey? Are we aiming to be, let's say, approachable, authoritative, or creative? For corporate image, neutral colors will always be non-threatening. In the property segment, tailored ones, or nowadays it's the advent of the business casual outfits. It can signal trustworthiness. Number 2, we are being reminded to what we call master the fit factor. Of course, well-fitted clothes, even if they are bought on sale or budget-friendly, will always look more polished than an expensive but ill-fitting one. So get to know a good fit, right? So if we need to befriend a tailor, that can be our go-to by default, then by all means, go ahead. Because as always, doing this, wearing fitted blazers and outfits that are actually figure forming to the body projects a professional image. Finally, number 3, we are being reminded to have our signature style. But this is not just your typical, because we can always inject our personal creativity to actually have that twist. So create a signature look that people will remember us by. So whether it be a statement accessory, such as example what I'm wearing, or it could be your go-to favorite by default, such as a bangle watch or something else. You know, a classic blazer, for instance, with a vibrant pin will also make heads turn and will actually make our presence more memorable. So as always, we are being reminded that we are God's creation, therefore He wants us to be our very best. So therefore, from my end to you, let us be reminded to always stand out and shine.